What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Bubbaville Bassin. We just left Food Line. Went and got stuff to make some homemade pizza, so we might show that later. But we're headed to Lowe's now to get stuff to build the workbench for the Bubbaville Custom Baits bait company. So we're going to take y'all to Lowe's and show y'all exactly what we're getting. And so that's pretty much it. So if you're new here, hit that like and subscribe button. As y'all can see in the B-roll, there's snow everywhere. It is like 17 degrees right now, and it feels a whole lot colder. And this is the coldest weather we've had in 5 or 6 years. So we're darn near having to go ice fishing. So we're gonna head to Lowe's after we get off this stupid stoplight, and we'll see y'all inside. Gonna grab you a cart, Shinbone.
We want that cleaner looking stuff.
I brought the list.
Never use your top sheet on plywood when you go into a supply store. The top one's usually the warped up one, it's just a cover.
Got our pegboard, our plywood, 2x4s, and the deck screws are somewhere down there.
Folks, there's a lot of videos about making these fluid baths with 2-inch pieces. They are not couplers, they are couplings.
Right there, guys. Coupling.
Coupling.
So we need 6 of those.
1, 2, 3, 4, 12 test caps. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12.
Pegboard organizers. Old Flash Gordon over here, trying to get out the store quick. He wants some pizza. We are at the home stretch, going to checkout. Almost there, guys. Alright, guys, so we got everything laid in the truck, and waiting on Shinbone to get back to the truck, and then we're going to be headed to the house. Y'all saw us go to the store. If you're new here, please hit that like and subscribe button. And we're going to get to the chop saw or the miter box, and we're going to cut our frame, which are 2x4s, and Shinbone should be joining us. He's hanging out with the original Whalen or Black Label Bassin or Muddy Water Bassin. I can't remember which name he goes by for YouTube, but he might be here later. I'm not sure. So we're going to get to the chop saw, and we're going to get this this frame built and see what our progress can be. This might be a part 2 series. Don't know. So we'll catch you in a little bit. pretty darn good to me. Alright guys, so we got the whole workbench done. Everything is hung. We do need to get some pegs for the pegboard so that way we can hang bait bags. And also we got to get our equipment to make the stuff, but it's one step closer to opening up the bait company. So if you're new here, please hit that like and subscribe button. Until next time, we'll catch you in the next one.